A lot of time and energy has gone into getting everything organized to the point that it is now. So we have everything categorized by the type of unit on the shelves. So if you want to make a desktop unit, everything that you need to do that is right here together. Then we have index down at the end and pros over in the corner. Everything is labeled with barcodes that we can scan. So the next step, which we're going to tackle today, is implementing a Kanban system so that we don't run out of supplies. So we'll have visual cues when things need to be ordered. It's basically a backup plan to the digital system that's already in place. So more to come on that. With Mike and Corey's help, today we made huge progress on our new Kanban system. Kanban is just going to be a visual cue out here in the shop so that we know what reorder points are for the different raw materials. So you see here what we had before was the label showing what the part is, but what we've added today is these Kanban cards. So this is just a magnet that we got from Uline, 2x3 magnet. So it's going to have the description of the raw material. That's the same as the label, but we added at the bottom, this is your reorder point. So for this particular part, we now know out here on the shop floor that we should be reordering this product when we have 9 boxes left. The product, this one happens to have a breadcrumb as well. So we'll know that we should also check warehouse location E36 before we would send this to the purchaser. So we have these boxes plus whatever's on the pallet rack at that location. But once we're down to 9 on the shelf and the breadcrumb location is empty, then we would need to take this magnet and it will go over to this board that we have, and it would be placed on the to be ordered side. And then it will go to the purchaser and the purchaser will place that order. Once the order is placed, then he'll put the PO number on the magnet, and then it will be put on the on order side of this board, and it will wait until shipping receives that order, and then in shipping they'll be able to check off the items and make sure that everything was received, and then the Kanban card will go back onto the pallet rack location where it started. So that's what we have for all of these boxed items. It's a little trickier with the boxes that our finished products go into. So what we've done here, we still have the magnet, but we stuck it, so this says 200 boxes, and we've just roughly measured out in this stack. That's where you're going to hit 200 boxes. So as the assemblers pull these, when they get down to this point, they'll know that that Kanban card needs to go up there for the purchaser to reorder. And hopefully this will keep us from running out of products. And it leaves us not just relying on what our numbers say in inventory on the computer, because we know that isn't always 100% correct. So more improvements every day.